Good morning, class. Good morning, students. Before we start, who among you guys loves to sing? Who among you guys loves to dance? Okay, so now, I have here a video. Can we all please stand? Okay, so I have here a video, an action song about an animals in which you can enjoy and dance together with the music. Okay, so now we're done with the music. Can we all please be seated? Settle down, class. Okay, so now, as you can see, I have here different kinds of animals, a missing piece of an animal, and all you have to do is you just have to connect each missing body part of each item. Okay, so now let's start. First is the dolphins. Next is the kangaroo. Next one is the snail. Do you know what snail is? Okay. How about an eagle? Have you seen an eagle? Yes, in the zoo you can see an eagle in the zoo, right? How about elephant? Have you seen animals or elephant here? Okay. Lastly, a giraffe. Have you seen giraffe? Have you seen giraffe, children? Not yet? Okay. So now, I have something to ask you. What are the different body parts of an animal that they use in movement? Again, what are the different body parts of an animal that they use in movement? Okay, for example, I have here an arms. Okay, arms. Arms. Okay, can you give me an example of an animal that uses their arms and hands in moving from one place to another? Or shall we say, using their arms in climbing from one tree to another? Okay, very good, class. Monkey. So, here, monkey, very good. Okay, monkey. How about the forelimbs? Do you know what forelimbs is? Forelimbs are your two hands and your 2 feet. Okay? So now, can you give me an example of an animal that uses their forelimbs? Okay, I'll give you an example. Any idea? Okay, so now I have here an example. A penguin. Yes, penguin. When they swim, they use their 2 hands and 2 feet in order for them to move and swim from one place to another. Okay, next is the tail and fin. Are you familiar with the tail and fin, class? Are you familiar? Okay, can you give me an example of a tail and fin animals? Can you give me an example? Okay, sharks, very good. Dolphins, very good. Also, a whale. Okay, whale. How about the legs? Legs. Do you have an example or an animal that uses their legs in moving from one place to another? An example, class? Okay, an example? Okay, legs. For example, the kangaroos, right? Kangaroos. Okay, kangaroos. Okay. How about the wings? What kind of animal that uses their wings for them to fly from one place to another? They fly. Give me an example. Okay, eagle, right? Yes, an eagle. Okay, an eagle, right? Okay. I'll give you another example. Butterfly. The butterflies uses their wings for them to fly from one place to another, right? Okay. So now, class, who can come in front and show us how a monkey uses their hands for them to swing from one place to another? Anyone, students? Don't be shy, you can come in front. Okay, so Sir John will show you an example. The monkeys used to swing using their arms and hands, right? They swing, right? They swing. Okay. Also for the penguins, when they swim, they use 2 feet and their hands. Also the whale, kangaroos, and butterflies. Okay, so now, how about, so animals have legs and feet, right? Okay, they have wings, they have 4 limbs, they have fins, and they have arms also, right? How about those animals like worms, leeches, and snails? Do they have arms? No. Do they have 4 limbs? Or the flippers? No. Do they have tail and fin? No, right? Do they have legs? No, right? How about wings? Do they have wings? No, right? Okay, so now, what part of the body do those animals, leeches, snails, and earthworms use to move from one place to another? Okay, any idea, students? Okay, no. Okay, so now, they use their body. Remember, when they crawl like snakes, they use their body. They do like this one, right? They do like this one. Okay. I have here an example, an earthworm. An earthworms, right? They use their body. They don't have feet, hands, right? They just only have the body for them to move from one place to another. Okay, so thank you, class. So now, do you want games, class? You want games? Okay, fair enough. Okay, so now, later I'll give you games. So now, again, what are the different body parts of an animal? Namely 1. Okay, yes, arms, very good. 4 limbs, very good. Or the flippers. Okay, next, tail and fin. Next is legs. Very good. The wings. Yes, the wings for them to fly. And also lastly, the body. Okay. So now class, how will you show your love and care for the animals? Again, how will you show your love and care for the animals? Anyone, class? Okay. In showing love and care for the animals, 1 is you have to love them, right? Love them. And also you have to give them unconditional love also, right? They need your love. They need your comfort. If any one of you has pets at home? Yes. Okay. To those students who have pets, very good. So how do you take care and love your animals? Yes, they give them food, give them hugs, right? Okay, so now we're done with it. So now I have here some exercises for you to answer receipt work. Okay, so the instruction here is you just have to match the pictures of each animals to the body it uses to move from one place to another. Okay, I'll be giving you 5 minutes to answer this one, to finish this one. Okay, okay, so now we're done with the exercises. Okay, so before we end our class, I'll be giving you an assignment. Okay, open your notebook, and now you just have to cut 2 to 3 pictures and paste it in a long sizable paper, and below those pictures, labeled it with the body parts that they use in moving from one place to another. Okay? Got it? Okay, thank you class.